to Creative Custom Arts. If you love turning raw materials into something meaningful, you're in the right place. From precision leather crafting to handcrafted pen turning, custom jewellery making, laser cutting and innovative 3D printing. I also take you behind the scenes, showing you the tools I use, the forming gear, and how each project becomes a story. And sometimes I take the creativity on the road. If you enjoy hands-on craftsmanship, modern maker technology and creative problem solving, this channel is for you. Subscribe and join Creative Custom Arts, and let's build something extraordinary together.